2012 Volkswagen Golf. Golf, it's the original fun-to-drive hatchback. Drive one today. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, compass, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, overhead console, leather seats, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.